on the fateful night, 2nd December 1984. A tragic incident took place at Bhopal's Union Carbide pesticide plant. The deadly methyl isocyanide gas was leaked into the area surrounding the plant. An estimated 3,000 men, women and children died immediately, and total casualties reached a figure of 15,000. All in all, more than 7 lakh Indians were permanently affected by the gas leak, and hundreds of babies would continue to be born in the region with severe deformities in the years that followed. Union Carbide CEO Warren Anderson was arrested upon landing in Bhopal 3 days after the tragedy. Back then, Congress was ruling both in the centre as well as in Madhya Pradesh. The then Madhya Pradesh CM Arjun Singh allegedly received a call from Rajiv Gandhi's office, in which he was informed Warren Anderson was to be set free. The Madhya Pradesh government provided a plane for Anderson to take him to Delhi, after which he fled to the United States. The following Digvijay government in Madhya Pradesh then sold the plane to a company owned by Kamal Nath's son, who then sold the same plane to a foreign company to avoid any traceability. All logbooks of the flight were wiped out by the state government. This begs the question, why did Rajiv Gandhi help Anderson escape? Sources claim that US President Ronald Reagan and Rajiv Gandhi had reached a deal that would see the Gandhi family's close friend and confidant, Muhammad Yunus's son Adil, freed from US prisons, in exchange for Warren Anderson being allowed to flee India and effectively escape scot-free for his complicity in the Bhopal gas tragedy. Warren Anderson died in the US in 2014, while thousands that died that fateful night never got justice.